Most people get this wrong. They assume all registered agent services are basically the same. But the surprising truth about Northwest Registered Agent is that it combines privacy, reliability, and exceptional customer service in a way many others don't. Northwest Registered Agent is a U.S.-based company that provides registered agent services for businesses in all 50 states. Essentially, a registered agent is the official point of contact for your business with the state, receiving legal documents, tax notices, and compliance forms. Having a reliable agent is critical because missing an important notice could cost your business time, money, or even its legal standing. One standout feature of Northwest is privacy protection. Unlike some services that list your home address publicly, Northwest uses their address for official correspondence, keeping your personal information off public records. For small business owners or entrepreneurs who value privacy, this is a major advantage. The surprising truth is how easy they make compliance management. Northwest not only forwards your legal documents promptly, but also reminds you of upcoming filings and deadlines, reducing the risk of penalties. Their dashboard is user-friendly, showing exactly what's been received and what actions are needed. Another benefit is customer support. Unlike automated systems many other services rely on, Northwest has real people available to answer questions and guide you through complex filings. Their support team is known for being helpful and responsive, which is especially valuable for first-time business owners. Potential drawbacks include the cost that's slightly higher than some competitors. However, considering the privacy, reliability, and excellent support, many business owners find the price justified. In conclusion, Northwest Registered Agent is ideal for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and anyone who wants a reliable, private, and professional service for managing legal correspondence. If you value peace of mind and a team that genuinely supports your business, Northwest is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews on tools and services that help your business run smoothly.